He took out the rail and he cut the rope.
What?
He cut the rope.
No.
That prick there.
Remove that boat. Here.
Can't move the boat. You don't own the town.
Well, now I don't own the fucking town.
Yeah. Are you stressed?
Get it out of there, or I'll get it out of there. Now
Why?
you have your choice.
You can't touch it.
Here.
You can't touch it. You're after taking the rail off of it and you threw it out. You cut the ropes.
I didn't cut nothing.
You did
Now
cut
go
the
down
ropes.
to the police station and report it because I was there this morning.
Yeah, they're on the way down to.
Here. There's the policeman you have to fucking see. I didn't give you permission to put fucking ropes across my boat or tie out my stanchions. Here. You reach out and get it. Because I'm letting them ropes go now. You
Yeah.
pulled my boat off, you're tied onto
Yeah.
me there, you've no business tying onto fucking
Well,
me.
you mean I can't touch that?
No, you can't go near my boat. I didn't give you permission to go
Your
near
boat?
my fucking boat. Now get it out
So
of
what
there.
about that one?
What?
What about that one? And that one?
What about hot one and hot one?
Yeah, well, why can't I use it there?
Because you're not using, I don't want drunks and fucking alcoholics crossing the
Alright,
fucking boat.
yeah, you go
You're
on
a
now.
liability. You're the same as this.
Who's
fucking
an
here.
ability?
Get the boat, go down here.
Yeah, don't touch
Why
that boat.
41?
You're after cutting it already.
Why 40? I'm after what?
You cut the ropes.
I wasn't near your fucking
You
ropes.
cut the ropes, so how
I
you
come down and got me ladder.
How
Your
did-
boat pulled my boat there because you were tied on fucking there. You were
Yeah.
tied on there, were you not?
No,
Were you tied on there in the middle of me boat?
you're not well.
I'm not well. No, you're not fucking well.
You're not
You're,
well.
this boat is here fucking
You
6
cut-
years and
you
it
cut
never
the
fell
ropes.
off yet.
And you threw out the stuff out of the harbour.
What stuff?
The rail that was around the top of it.
I should have fucking you into the harbour. Now,
What?
are you going to move the boat? Because I'll move it.
No, because the
I'm
police
quite
are on the
capable.
way.
Move the boat.
No, I won't move the boat. You move that. You own that.
Are you for fucking real?
You own that.
Are you for real? The boat?
Do you
It's none of
own
your
the whole
fucking
lot? Do
business
you own
what
the
I
town?
own. I'm in charge of the boat.
Do you own the town, do you? You own the town?
What?
You own the town, do you?
I don't own nothing, and
Yeah,
I don't
well,
own
there's
you,
no
and I
problem
don't
me
want nothing to
touching
do
that.
with you. Now move the boat, or I'll fucking, I'll move it. Right, stay here.
You do what?
Ah, there's a fella here trying to make life difficult for me, tying down the boat and everything. Right, I'll call you back, right?
No business for you touching my boat.
Not touching your boat.
No reason for touching. What are you taking that boat for?
Because it's paying my fucking sale. That's what I mean.
Yeah, sure, it doesn't budge. It doesn't budge. It's well locked up here. It never budges.
It is a budget. Right, budget, yeah.
Yeah, right, so you're taking that. That's criminal damage.
It's a criminal damage. Go up to the police.
Yeah, the police.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can't touch that.
You go up to the guards. I'm fucking touching it. Go
Right.
up and get the guards.
Get the guards.
Yeah, go up and get the police.
Get the police. I'm
And
waiting
I'll
for
show,
the-
I'll show you
waiting.
how it's done.
Yeah,
I'm doing it all my life. You don't know anything about it now. Get that joke out of my way.
yeah, you get that out of the way as well. You get that out of it as well. Are you with me?
I'll show you criminal damage, boy. Want to see criminal damage?
Criminal damage. What are you doing taking me boat for?
Not going near your boat. I'm opening ropes on your boat to sail up and
Yeah, you've no business touching that. You've no business touching that.
How am I not? Well, you do something about it.
Yeah, what's wrong? It's well past yours. There's plenty,
Go down and get the keys.
there's plenty about, there's plenty about buoys. You're no touching that business. That belongs to me. That's theft. Criminal damage.
Oi, go down and get the guards.
Get the guards. I'm after bringing them already.
Yeah, oi,
Yeah, for your theft.
there's criminal damage for your watch.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know
So-
how to do criminal damage?
Yeah. Criminal damage.
You've your ropes going everywhere over me
Cri-
boat. I
cri-
don't want them because
cri-
you don't know what you're doing.
Criminal damage.
Right, get the police.
Yeah, well, I'm waiting for the police.
Get your phone, take the photographs.
What?
You were tied to my boat. This boat is here 6 years. I never fucking
That's-
moved. And you come alongside me on the assembly way.
See what you're after doing.
Go away.
Go away. Go away.